What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 INFINITI QX60 Luxe. So last week I uploaded a video on the Autograph, but today we'll be going in the Luxe, which is a much more affordable option. It's like the middle pack trim. And I think for 2026 there's also a QX60 Sport model, and I don't know if there's, I think the Sensory exists too, but I need to double check. So yeah, you have the new INFINITI logo in here, ventilated and heated seats, digital gauge cluster, built-in Google Maps, and the new QX60 has like the same color scheme as the QX80's infotainment does. It's like brown color. It looks pretty nice. You have a 360-degree camera system, which is nice in the Luxe trim. Nice center console storage, actually. Leather seats, panoramic sunroof as well. And you have the Klipsch sound system. This one does not have the reference Premier sound system, but it has a regular Klipsch, which is good. It used to be the Bose Performance series, but the Klipsch sound system was introduced on the QX80, the 2025 model, so now they brought it to the QX60. And if you watch the video on the Autograph, it has the speaker grills around the headrest as well, which is kind of cool. You have Sport, Standard, Eco, and Snow modes. But let's walk around this Luxe, see what it looks like. Black exterior, wheels look pretty cool. And I really like the new grille on the QX60. It's like the one on the QX80. It looks really, really distinctive and more luxurious than it did before. It's like the waterfall style grille with the giant INFINITI logo, LED headlights, same headlights. 2026 QX60 Luxe. Total price is $60,040. 24 miles per gallon combined, 22 city, 28 highway. You have the 2-liter variable compression 4-cylinder engine with 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Here are the rear seats. You also have heated rear seats, which is nice to see. Also, you have sunshades for the rear passengers. And now you don't have an INFINITI logo anymore. It just says INFINITI on the back, similar to the QX80. Very similar to that. And this one's a front-wheel drive model, but you can get all-wheel drive. Here's the trunk. Put the third row up. This one has like the roof racks on it too. Let's take it out for a drive. The key fob's also, it's like the newer INFINITI style key fob, but this was on the pre-facelift QX60 as well for the 2025 model year. Let's get it out on the road now. But yeah, the features in this QX60 Luxe is pretty good for being a middle pack trim, having ventilated front seats. It's pretty cool, and heated rear seats. You don't really see that too often. For example, an MDX Tech package only has heated front seats and no heated rear seats. So that's a comparative vehicle. And I like these buttons. It looks kind of like a screen, even though it's not. And then the buttons have like the capacitive touch. And you also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see the little icons right there. And you can access the camera over there, either when you're like parking or if you're in like at low speeds or something like that. The low end torque's actually pretty good. while the 4-cylinder engine doesn't sound nearly as good as the V6 did, it definitely feels pretty peppy still for what the car is. Like, this is just a car you want to just drive around in every day. It's not meant to be fast in any way, shape, or form. It's just supposed to be a comfortable daily driving SUV, and it definitely does that. And it looks pretty good too. It's a good looking SUV, especially with this new grille. I really like that grille. So for daily driving capabilities, this thing has more than what you need, or whatever you do need for daily driving. And also the ride is really comfortable and soft, and the road noise is very limited. It's real quiet in here, so that's nice. It's a very comfortable car, that's for sure. And a lot of people a lot of Infiniti customers love the current generation of the QX60. I'm interested to see that emerald green color on the autograph, and I also want to drive the QX60 Sport. They all share the same powertrain and everything, but just want to see what the fit and finish and the interior looks like. The QX60 Sport also has like black wheels, blacked out grille, and things like that. I like the turn signal stock as well. Feels good to press. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that, which I don't like when vehicles have cheap switchgear, because it's something that you're going to use very often. Yeah, very comfortable ride overall. I think if you own a QX60 and you want to get this new one, you will like it a lot. It does what it's meant to do, it looks pretty good, and if you like Infiniti, this would be a great daily driver for you. Eats up those speed bumps pretty well too. And see, I really like that grille. Look at that. And the daytime running lights are very distinctive. It's a good looking car. But that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you would like to purchase your own QX60.